Now it is the photograph. Okay, you can zoom accordingly. I'm not zooming, I'm zooming it out. Okay, I'm talking to Poonam. Poonam, would you like to go swimming with me?
No, sir, I don't think so.
Why not?
I'm afraid I might drown.
Don't worry, you won't drown.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100% positive.
Okay, I will go swimming with you.
Now, Poonam,
What
there are
expression?
two underlined portions. So, in place of go swimming, you will have to put the first one, go skiing. And Aparna, you will have to give the excuse of break my leg. Poonam, talk to Aparna.
Yes, sir. Aparna, would you like to go skiing with me?
No, I don't think so, Poonam.
Why not?
I'm afraid of breaking. I might break my leg.
Don't worry, you won't break your leg.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100% positive.
Okay, I will go. I will go uh, skiing with you.
Now,
Okay.
Aparna, uh, अब तुम सीधे पूनम से पूछ लो इसमें हालांकि जेरन नहीं है सेकंड नंबर वाला would you
Sitting
like
in
to
the
go
sun.
to a fancy restaurant?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Poonam, would you like to go to a fancy restaurant
With me.
with me? Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I'm afraid food is not good out there and I might get sick.
Good.
Don't worry. You won't get sick.
Um,
Are you sure?
are you sure we will get their good food?
Yes, I'm 100% sure, positive.
Okay, I will go to a fancy restaurant with you.
They guys use fancy restaurant for means five-star kind of good restaurant. They use fancy word. Now, Poonam, you will have to take the third one.
There is one or more thing for fancy. If we are using pattern and our English sentences, it is also called fancy English.
Okay, thank you. It is a news for me. Fancy English.
Fancy English, yes. Managed to come
Hmm.
or like this. Supposed to.
Okay, Aparna, would you like to um go? Would you like to sit in the sun with me?
Sitting in the sun.
Sitting.
Sitting in the sun, I will come, sir.
नहीं वो हर एक जेरेंडर नहीं है डिफरेंट है उसको
Would you
सिर्फ
like?
दो
Would you like to sit in the sun with me?
यस इट इज करेक्ट
No, no, I don't think so.
Why not?
Actually, no, I'm afraid of sunburn. I might. Get sunburn.
Good. Correct.
Don't worry, you won't get sunburn.
Correct.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100% positive. It's too cold.
Acha. It will be cool. It will be cool. Kuch- you are mood today. What happened? What did you take in the morning? Okay, I'll go with get
I will
sun.
sit, not go.
I will sit in the sun with you.
Thank you. You are ready for sitting with me in this hot season.
As today I was reading paper, na. So the newspaper was saying that ki it's raining hot in the summer in Nagpur. It's raining hot. It's raining. Yeah.
बरस रही
It's
है.
raining far in Vidarbha.
विदर्भ.
It's raining far in the Vidarbha.
Hmm.
So, so are you go? Would you like to go dancing with me on the stage?
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
Actually,
Why
no,
not?
I'm afraid. I might step on your feet.
Oh, don't worry.
You won't
You
step.
you won't just step on my feet.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
Okay, I will go dancing with you, but be ready if I will step on your feet.
I will be careful, yeah. I will be careful with dancing you. I will be careful being
While
dancing while dancing with you. Now it's your go. What is rest?
take a walk in the park.
Take a walk in the park. It's your go to
Can you will you go walking in the park in place of
Yes.
take a walk? No?
Yes.
Go
Yes. Yes.
walking.
Yes.
So
Start.
Aparna, you parties. Should I start now?
Yes. Yes.
Aparna, would you like to go walking in the park with me?
No, uh, I don't think so.
Why not?
Actually, now I'm afraid of catching a cold.
Good.
You had taken sun bath na, you wouldn't get cold.
After taking sun baths,
Don't
it
worry,
will be strong.
you won't catch the cold.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm 100 positive. You had
100%
taken na?
positive.
You had taken sun na?
uh, okay, I will go.
Walking
Uh, go walking
in the park.
park with you. Go walking in the park with you.
The last sixth one.
Go
Up.
to Jack party. Okay, Poonam, would you like to go Jack's party with me?
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I'm I'm afraid. I might be. It might be ना sir. I might नहीं होगा. It might be terrible party.
नहीं वो सब
Terrible.
आई से रिलेट किया है उन्होंने. आई माइट हैव. सही है वो.
अच्छा. I might have a terrible time.
Don't worry, you won't might have you won't
Have.
हाँ
might क्या
नहीं,
क्या
might इसमें नहीं है, won't have.
you won't have terrible time because I am here with as a company with you. So
Okay. Are you sure?
yes, 100%.
Okay. I will go to Jack's party with you.
Okay, thank you. Let's have fun.
अब ये अमेरिकन है सब, तो उनके शब्द कुछ अलग होते हैं और ऐसे ही होते हैं, अच्छी चीजें हैं इसमें, यू कैन यूज दैम। अब यहाँ पे ऐसा अर्थ निकल रहा है कि मैं जैक की पार्टी में जाऊंगी तो बोर हो जाऊंगी, जैसा अर्थ निकल रहा है, लेकिन आई माइट हैव ए टेरिबल टाइम, इसको ऐसा उन्होंने कर दिया। ओके, लेट्स कम बैक एंड make your mobile horizontal again.
We can see we are watching ourselves, but in the presenting screen, we can see the how we are looking.
So you can make a video call and firstly copy this matter, and in video call you can make a drama and you can
Yes.
post. Aparna, what is the last number?
No. Present participle is 28 and the sentence number is 15 and so many after that. Stop running के बाद go shopping, go swimming, go skiing, go dancing.
Okay, write down some more sentences. Firstly, let's finish this chapter because I have some more informative sentences. The next sentence is one villager is asking to another, क्या तुम रोज दूध दोहने जाते हो? क्या तुम रोज दूध दोहने जाते हो? Who has got to make this sentence?
I have got to make this sentence, but what should be the verb for दोहने जाते?
You just make, later on ask Aparna if you were me. Finally, I will.
Do you go to? Do you go for? Do you go for? दूध दोहना is
Now you can ask Aparna.
Aparna, if you were me, how would you make this sentence?
If I were you, I would make this sentence like that. Do you go every day for making milk? Sir, if you were me, how would you make this sentence?
If I were you, Aparna, I would make this sentence like this. Do you go milking every day?
Uh, do you go milking every day? This is news for me.
Yes. So I'm asking this question to you. Uh, Aparna, does Bhaiya ji go milking every day?
Yes, sir. Bhaiya ji every day go making milking every day. Hey, every day go milking. Bhaiya ji go milking every day. Bhaiya ji goes milking every day.
Bhaiya ji, you know very well that in Mumbai, uh,
All
milkmen are
bhaiya.
called Bhaiya ji. क्या भैया जी रोज रोज दूध दोहने जाते हैं?
हाँ, भैया जी रोज दूध दुहने जाते हैं.
अब तुम पूछ लो, कौन से भैया जी रोज दूध दोहने जाते हैं पूनम से?
Hmm. Poonam, which नहीं, which one भैया जी goes to milking every day?
Goes milking.
Goes milking every day.
Uh, in my neighborhood, uh, the bhaiyaji who lived in my neighborhood lives na, the bhaiyaji who lives in my neighborhood goes milking every day.
कौन से वाले भैया जी रोज दूध दुहने जाते हैं?
मेरे पड़ोस में वो भैया जी रहते हैं ना, वो रोज दूध दूहने जाते हैं.
अब पूनम तुम हमसे पूछो, कौन रोज दूध दोहने जाता है?
सर, हु गोस, हु डज गो, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. हु गो, अच्छा, हु इज योर सब्जेक्ट. हु गोस मिल्किंग एवरी डे.
यादव भैया गोes milking every day.
कौन रोज दूध दूहने जाते हैं?
यादव भैया रोज दूध दोहने जाते हैं.
लालू प्रसाद यादव.
The next sentence is little साहित्यिक sentence. मैं आपके धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने का कायल हूँ. Poonam, have you ever heard this Hindi word कायल? No.
No, sir, I didn't heard this word.
Aparna, have you heard? Have you ever
I
heard?
time but I don't know the meaning. कायल मतलब means दीवाना.
English sentence will make it clear. Don't worry.
Yes.
It's my go to
Firstly,
make
Poonam,
the sentence.
let Poonam make it. She will ask you. You ask me.
I am fan of your uh, speaking fluent English. If Aparna, if you were me, how would you make this sentence?
हाँ, I am, मैं आपके धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने का speaking with fluently is impressed. I am impressed by speaking with. I am impressed of your fluency. Speaking of fluently.
Yes, you both are correct. Both sentences are right. And ask me,
Sir, if you were me, how would you make this sentence?
if I were you, I would make the sentence like this. I appreciate your speaking English fluently. Aparna, do you appreciate her speaking English fluently?
Yes, sir. I appreciate his speaking English fluently.
क्या आप उसके धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने की कायल हैं?
यस सर, मैं उसकी धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने की कायल हूँ। पूनम, does she appreciate your speaking English fluently?
Yes, Aparna. She appreciates my speaking English fluently. Um,
Complete the process.
क्या वो आपकी इंग्लिश बोलने की कायल है? धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने की कायल है?
हाँ पढ़ना, वो मेरे धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने की कायल है। Um, Sir, do they appreciate our speaking English fluently?
Yes, Poonam, they really appreciate you guys speaking English fluently.
सर, क्या वो धारा इंग्लिश हमारे धारा इंग्लिश बोलने के कायल हैं?
धारा
हाँ,
प्रवाह।
वास्तव में तुम लोगों की धारा प्रवाह इंग्लिश बोलने के कायल हैं। सल्यूट।
Who are they, sir? Who are?
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, उसके पापा जी सलोनी के बॉम्बे में रहने से खुश नहीं हैं। उसके पापा जी सलोनी के बॉम्बे में रहने से खुश नहीं हैं। Who has got to make this sentence?
I have to got this. I have got to make sense. Her papa is not. Saloni's papa is not happy of. Saloni's papa is not happy of living in Bombay. If you were me, how would you make Poonam?
If I were you, I would make like this. Her papaji is not happy with Saloni for living in Mumbai. Sir, if you were me, how would you make this sentence?
If I were you, I would make this sentence. Her Papa ji is not happy with Salonis dwelling, staying, living in Mumbai. Papaji is not happy with Salonis living in Mumbai. Poonam is her Papaji happy with Salonis living alone in Mumbai?
No, sir. Her papaji is not happy with her. She's staying alone in Mumbai.
शी नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, फिर हर रखना पड़ेगा.
Okay, her papaji. Sorry.
नहीं.
Her
Listen. Is Saloni's Papaji happy with her living alone in Mumbai?
her papaji is not happy with her. Is living.
With her living alone.
She is living alone.
Just a minute. Listen carefully. Aparna, is her Papaji is happy with Pinky's living alone in UK?
No, sir. Her papa is not happy. With her living in UK.
Living alone in UK.
Living alone in UK.
क्या उसके पापा जी पिंकी के यूके में अकेले रहने से खुश हैं?
नहीं सर, उसके पापा पिंकी के अकेले यूके में रहने से खुश नहीं.
आपके आंसर में प्रोनाउन आ रहा है, नाउन तो आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो और आसान हो जाता है. नाउन रख रहे हैं अपने क्वेश्चन में, आपको प्रोनाउन रख देना है. लिसन अगेन. Aparna, is her daddy happy with Kajol's staying alone in UAE?
His father is not happy.
No sir से आंसर शुरू करो अपर्णा.
No sir, his father is not happy with him.
काजोल.
His father.
देखो, सेंटेंस का बेस ये है कि लड़की के अकेले रहने से दिक्कत होती ना, लड़का तो अकेला कहीं पे भी रहे बहुत ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होती, इसलिए सेंटेंस में फेमिनाइन जेंडर रखा है हमने. चलो, लेट मी आस्क इट टू पूनम. पूनम, इज हर फादर हैप्पी विथ काजोल्स लिविंग इन यूएसए अलोन?
I heard Raju.
No, sir. Her papaji is not happy with her living alone in UAE.
क्या उसके पापा जी काजोल के यूएसए में अकेले रहने से खुश हैं?
नहीं सर, उसके पापाजी उसके अकेले यूएई में रहने से खुश नहीं है. Aparna, is her papaji not happy with Rani living alone in UK?
Sorry, come again. You put the not.
She made it interrogative negative. Now answer.
Is her papaji not happy with Rani is living alone? No. Rani living alone.
Rani's living alone.
Rani's living alone in UK?
Yes, his papa is not happy. Rani, her.
Okay.
Yes, his papa is not happy.
His papa नहीं, रानी.
Her papa is not happy.
Come again, Aparna.
Her papa is not happy with her living in कहाँ? Living alone in
UK.
कुछ भी रख दो.
mm, uh, आर सलोनी और नहीं आर रिंकी पिंकी's father is happy. Are Rinky Pinky's father is happy? अच्छा is नहीं are Rinky Pinky's father happy with their living in
रिंकी पिंकी भले ही दो हैं, पिताजी एक ही
is
है.
ना तो I'm taking is
तो आर क्यों ले रहे? Why are you using R?
अच्छा is Rinky Pinky's father हाँ तो फिर आर कैसे आएगा
हिंदी करके देख लो. क्या रिंकी एवं पिंकी के पिताजी उनके फलानी जगह अकेले रहने से खुश हैं?
Are parents of P Chawla is are happy?
मेरे दो आर, एक आर तो उठ के सामने आ ही गए.
Are parents of Juhi? Are parents of Juhi is कैसे आएगा फिर? Are parents of Juhi happy with their happy with her living in Bhopal?
नो, दे आर.
Alone.
अलोन रखना जरूरी नहीं है. दो नो नो नो, दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विथ हर लिविंग अलोन इन भोपाल. No, they are not happy with her living alone in Bhopal.
क्या जूही के पापा उसके
मम्मी पापा
जूही के पेरेंट्स हाँ मम्मी पापा उसके भोपाल में रहने से खुश हैं?
नहीं, वे उसके भोपाल में अकेले रहने से खुश नहीं हैं. पापा wants to send mama to Bhopal, but Pinky is denying. Juhi is denying. पापा मम्मी को भेजना चाहते हैं भोपाल, लेकिन जूही मना कर रही है.
ये मना कर रही she wants to live alone over there. अच्छा I want to ask is Renu bhabhi happy her Soumya with is Soumya's mother Renu bhabhi I'm asking to Poonam is Soumya's mother Renu bhabhi happy with her living alone in Pune?
Use one if Renu or Somya's mother, one thing. Somya's mother or Renu, one thing. You should use one thing.
Is Renu bhabhi happy? Soumya's living alone in Pune?
No, Renu is not happy with Somya's living alone in Pune.
इस सेंटेंस में विद का बहुत महत्व है. विद प्रपोजिशन की तरह आ रहा है और उसके बाद आईएनजी अपने आप लगेगा ही लगेगा. प्रपोजिशन इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय ing or pure noun.
I'm asking again. Is Renu Bhabhi happy with her living alone in Pune? With al okay. Is Renu Bhabhi happy with her with her living alone in Pune?
Yeah, no, Renu is not happy with hers living alone in Pune. Uh,
क्या रेणु भाभी सोम्या के पुणे में अकेले रहने से खुश हैं?
नहीं, रेणु उनके पूना में अकेले रहने से खुश नहीं है.
She is so sad. She is so feeling क्या that
She is
loneliness,
upset. She's upset. She is
loneliness,
she is
lonely,
missing her.
lonely, नहीं loneliness, feeling loneliness. हाँ, loneliness. She is feeling lonely.
Poonam, are you angry with your sons saying, Mama, why do you watch the same videos again and again?
No, sir. I'm not angry with my son saying,
Asking.
son's asking. Just it is finished, no, sir.
That why are you watching TV, watching that video again?
Actually, I did not do and I don't do any kind of work they say.
Aparna, are you irritated with Chimus playing games all the time?
No, sir, I don't. I'm not irritated with the Chimu's playing games all the time because he remains busy at least at that time. And he has no company with play and whole time in the evening he goes out for playing physically. Otherwise, in the all the time he remain busy with their gadgets.
क्या तुम चीमू के पूरे समय गेम खेलते रहने से परेशान हो?
नहीं सर, नॉट एट ऑल. अभी तो मैं बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं हूँ. I I let them play. Let him play.
Poonam, are you bothered with ringing your doorbell again and again?
Yes, sir. I'm bothered too much with ringing doorbell again and again. I was thinking I should hire a maid for opening the door.
Wow. You can do one thing. You can keep one remote also for this. No need to keep any hire
Actually,
any maid.
process changing everything for opening the door using remotes and all that. Na, it is very lengthy process.
Nowadays you can get it easily.
Poonam, I can give you very cheap remote. Indian जुगाड़.
Mhm.
गाइस, हमने 2 सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस बनाए जानबूझ के. आर यू इरिटेटेड, आर यू बॉदर्ड। अब दिमाग में ऐसा कोई सेंटेंस आ रहा हो तो अभी नहीं, व्हाट्सअप करना, एक सेंटेंस और लिखो। इट इज अ बिग सेंटेंस।
Sir, one sentence coming in my mind. Sir, are you tired with us learning, teaching English?
Come again, voice chopped.
Are you tired? Are you tired with us uh, teaching a same sentence again and again?
Tired के साथ ये this preposition is always used with tired.
Okay. Okay. You tired of teaching English? सेम सेंटेंस मतलब आई वांट टू से कि अब सेम सेंटेंसेस पढ़ा पढ़ा के सर आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर टीचिंग इंग्लिश फॉर सेम सेंटेंसेस.
Actually, Poonam, my sentences are changed time to time. मेरे वाक्य समय समय पर बदलते रहते हैं. And I am having a notebook here, but I immediately change the verb accordingly. Immediately I change the verb, or like the basic sentence was, क्या सलोनी के पापा जी उसके मुंबई में अकेले रहने से खफा हैं। फिर जब अभी हमने दो सेंटेंस पूछे तो दोनों प्रैक्टिकल बना दिए। एक में इरिटेटेड रख दिया, आर यू इरिटेटेड, पैसिव वॉइस। आई डिड इट डेलिबरेटली so that you get a signal to create this kind of sentence. Then suddenly bother verb came in my mind and it is practical. Are you bothered of ringing your doorbell again and again? So it was also looking practical sentence. The basic sentence sometimes if it is same, during the creativity, when you make some nice sentences, I become happy, I feel very happy. So the sentences are never same because of creativity. The subject in my particular sentence is Saloni, so I have taken the same name, but if you have noticed, I changed the name in every sentence. Pinky, Kajol. So I keep changing. So it gives me freshness. And sometimes you also ask some nice sentences. So it energizes me. So I'm not tired of it at all. तो मैं इससे थकता बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ क्योंकि because creativity goes on. Everybody tries to make a new sentence, whatever comes in his or her mind. Everybody makes. This is the speciality of this class. That's why I always feel I always get something new. Recently, Aparna informed me fancy word is used for English also. So I became happy. I got a new word. I will check it with the Google. Then I will give it to another students. So the process which is made, it is totally fresh process. All the time you will feel freshness. You can watch the other videos of other batches. You will find totally new sentences. Base sentence will be same. Or maybe immediately sometimes I change the subject according to the movies, because I change the name of hero and heroine according to newcomers. अब किसी सेंटेंस में सलमान खान लिखा है तो सलमान खान इज ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, तो आई टेक सलमान खान, so people become happy. But whenever any new heroine comes, so I ask sometimes, to students कि who is the latest and favorite heroine. So they inform me that this is the latest heroine, this is the favorite heroine. So I changed the name immediately. So the total sentences are fresh sentences.
I'm also thinking about one sentence that I'm taking non-living verb. Is the earth is the earth destroyed with क्या with the resource income क्या is the earth destroyed with uh, unconserving unconserving things क्या is the earth destroyed it is working or not is the earth destroyed with अरे
Okay.
not working
Speak with me. Speak with me. Is
is
the globe
the globe
warming?
global warming
Is the globe warming
is the globe warming
with
with
uh, humans
humans
misusing
misusing
the resources?
resources is the globe warming with misusing a human
Humans misusing the resources.
misusing the resource
क्या इंसान के गलत उपयोग से या दुरुपयोग से पृथ्वी का तापमान बढ़ता जा रहा है? इज द ग्लोब वार्मिंग? या सिंपल भाषा में बोले तो क्या पृथ्वी गर्म होती जा रही? वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, तो फिर हमें हिंदी शब्दों को बदलना होगा। क्या इंसान के रिसोर्सेस के दुरुपयोग से पृथ्वी का तापमान बढ़ता जा रहा है? इज द ग्लोब वार्मिंग?
no wow
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग शब्द को हमने पूरा एक सेट के रूप में स्वीकार कर लिया, माइंड सेट बन गया, लेकिन हमने उसमें क्रिएटिविटी नहीं ढूंढी। तो ये अब इससे क्लियर हो जाएगा, ग्लोब पृथ्वी इज वार्मिंग, पृथ्वी का
one
तापमान।
more sentence is coming sir can I make one more sentence is Will Smith happy with Anchor laughing on her wife
No, he is not happy with Anchors laughing on her wife. His wife, sorry.
he slapped him
He slept.
slapped
I did not see, but
Will Smith slapped Anchor in Oscar award
okay. It is 12:45. Should we conclude or should I give you a couple of sentences?
No, sir. Uh, conclude the class.
Speak up.
Uh, it should conclude.
It should be concluded.
It should be concluded.
Okay. See you tomorrow. And whenever you get any sentence like this, please do send.
Okay.
Do send.
Thank you.
भेजना जरूर।
thank you sir have a good day bye bye ciao